Testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing one.
All right, there we go. I don't know what happened there, guys. Not sure at all. What box did we move out on? Which box did we leave out on? Box 2. Ouch. We're going to have to go through some cards then, because I did not even realize that it had gone through. And we saw some fun hits along the way. Holy cow. Frickin' Vaughn. Okay, we're going to go over this, and I will show you guys. You guys see the Pineda? Calm down, James. We'll get there. Did you guys see the Pineda? Okay, you saw Pineda, so you saw Tom Malone. I feel terrible about this. We've never had this issue before. We're just going to go over everything right now. And I will save the biggies for later. And the last box was the gem of the ball, so to speak. And technical difficulties happen. I know I'm already giving away a Harper BGS 9.5 and a baseball to the hitless teams, but I will find something else to give away too. My apologies on that, guys. So we will start with the relics. Relics, we saw out of $2.99, Ryan Howard. For the Phillies, out of $3.99, Dustin Pedroia for the Red Sox. Felix Hernandez out of $3.99, Seattle Mariners. Chris Sale, dual, 27 of 50 for the White Sox. And we'll start getting a little better here. Bat Relic out of $3.99, Evan Longoria. Miguel Cabrera, Bat Relic, 61 of $3.99. We'll go Jackie Robinson, or Pedro Martinez, Tier 1 Relic. Redemption. We saw Jackie Robinson, Bat Relic, 95 of 99. 95 of 99 on the Jackie Robinson Bat Relic. And Willie Mays, 98 of 99 Jersey Relic. On the ride, or crowd pleasers, we saw Grant Balfour, A's out of $2.99. Michael Morse, Mariners out of $2.99. Crowd pleaser out of 50, Joey Bats, Jose Bautista, 34 of 50. 34 of 50, Joey Bats. 5 of 10, silver signings for the Padres. Chase Headley, San Diego Padres, 5 of 10. And Texas Rangers picking up C.J. Wilson, Copper Rose Parallel. Numbered out of 25, C.J. Wilson for the Rangers. On the rise autographs, Matt Adams out of $3.99 for the Cardinals. Michael Pineda, Yankees out of $1.99. $3.99 for the A's, Tom Malone. $1.99 for the Nationals, Jordan Zimmerman. And on the rise, Nate Eovaldi, Copper Rose autograph, numbered 17 of 25. And the highlight of it all, last box, Rickey Henderson, clear rookie reprint auto, numbered 2 of 25. These are sweet cards. 2 of 25 on the Rickey Ricky Henderson. We also saw a came out of the pack with a little blemish from it from Topps. Craig Kimbrell, 41 of 50. Steve, like I said before, I will ship you this box right here with the card that it came out of so you can get it sent back to Topps, and they will get that replaced for you. So now we are going to feel terrible about the video skipping out. We're going to do the hitless teams first. We'll give away the Johan Santana baseball. One lucky hitless team will pick up that. Dodgers were on the board. Mets, Pirates, Cardinals were on the board. Tampa Bay was on the board. So I have Arizona without a hit, Baltimore without a hit, Cubs, Reds, Indians, Rockies, Astros, Royals, Angels, Brewers, Twins, Mets, Pirates. There you go. I know James likes to sleep with his cards a couple nights before he decides to move them. I do love the Jackie Robinson bat relic too. It's a beauty. Wow, the whole all the way up to the Pirates. You had San Diego in 2013 Bowman, Bob. 2013 Bowman, which is after this, Bob. So we are going to take it to Wilson is Angels on that. Can you double check that, please? Okay, appreciate that heads up. We will put Texas back into the mix. Okay, hitless teams. We're going to go 3 times on the hitless teams for the Johan Santana signed baseball. One lucky hitless team owner will get the Santana signed baseball. And then we will do the Harper slab 3 times. Good luck, everybody. Orioles after 1, Mets after 2, and number 3, Cleveland Indians picking up the Johan baseball. Indians. Jeff Stryker, congrats on the Santana baseball. Phillies. That one was not a redemption, so that one wasn't an issue. Johan is going to Jeff Stryker and the Indians. Oh, let's find something else real quick for the technical difficulties. How about it? Broke your loop. I know, right? How about I'll toss in a Bowman Sterling autograph of Mr. Anthony Rizzo. First place on the random. We'll pick up the first place on the random. We'll pick up the Harper 2012 Chrome 9.5. Do a giveaway every night. This is the Tier 1 giveaway tonight. 9.5. Spot number 30. You will get Anthony Rizzo. Bowman Sterling auto. How many times are we going to do this, guys? Throw me a number. First number, under 10.
0.
5, Ken G. 5. 5 was overwhelming. We have all 30 teams listed. Arizona through Washington. We'll go 5 times. Person on top gets the Harper slab. Person on bottom, spot 1, Harper. Spot 30, Rizzo. After 1, Rockies on top. After 2, White Sox on top. 3, Indians on top. 4, Braves on top. And the one that matters, good luck, guys. Cubs picking up the Harper slab. Cubs That would be Nick. No, yes, Nico Truckin. Harper slab. And the Rizzo will go to Pittsburgh Pirates. Martin. And you guys see that? Pittsburgh on top, Cubs on top, Pittsburgh on bottom. Kind of the reverse of the NL Central standings right now. So that's that. I'm going to hop off of here, get this video downloading so it can upload to YouTube, and then I will be right back on here, guys.